Narcissists use gaslighting to distort partners' sense of reality. Gaslighting involves denying facts or manipulating situations. Victims start questioning their sanity due to persistent manipulation. Sexual confusion is another tactic narcissists use on their partners. They may invalidate partners' perceptions of certain interactions. Partners may feel unsure about their sexual experiences. Narcissists feed doubts to destabilize partners' self-perception. The victim's confidence gradually erodes over time. Manipulation often hinges on the partner's inferiority perception. Narcissists project their problems onto partners to induce insecurity. This reinforces their control over the partner's behavior. Victims struggle with self-worth, affecting decision-making. Language manipulation further detaches partners from reality. Conflicting stories create chaos in partners' mental states. Narcissists often claim a superior insight into situations. Gaslighting has lasting effects on victims' mental health. Navigating away from narcissistic influence is challenging. Awareness is crucial to recognizing these destructive patterns. Empowerment involves reclaiming one's own narrative. Support systems are vital in fostering recovery. Critical thinking aids in breaking free from manipulation. Therapeutic interventions can support healing journeys. Communication strategies strengthen personal boundaries. Building self-esteem counters narcissistic devaluation. Recognizing red flags prevents future narcissistic relationships. Education helps in understanding narcissistic behavior patterns. Survivors can thrive by regaining control over their lives. Rewriting one's narrative requires courage and resilience. Strength is found in acknowledging manipulation's effects. Restoring autonomy is key to healing and growth. Commitment to self-care nurtures ongoing recovery. Recovery involves rediscovering personal values and beliefs.